Hello dear ones, I'm Andrea and today I want to show you a super easy method for knitting cords. I'm quite sure that many of you don't know this technique yet. Cords are not only decorative but also extremely versatile. You can use them for back straps, belts, hair accessoires, decorations or even for gift wrapping. Here I have a rather round cord. It's not perfectly round, but almost. And here's a flat cord. And you probably won't believe it, but both are made with the same knitting pattern. The only difference is that I cast on 4 stitches here and 6 stitches here. These 2 cords were knitted with very thick yarn and large knitting needles. Now I want to show you a third sample that I knitted with thinner yarn. This cord is more delicate and smaller, perfect for fine projects. You can use the same technique, but the result is a little finer and more elegant. And I'll show you how to do all this now. So grab your knitting needles and some yarn and knit along with me. Let's start with the first cord, which I'm knitting with 4 stitches. The knitting pattern is very simple. I cast on 4 stitches. I knit the first stitch through the back loop. I simply slip the next stitch with the yarn in front. I knit the third stitch and I slip the last stitch with the yarn in front again. And that's it. That's the knitting pattern for the cord. The second row is knitted exactly the same way. Knit the first stitch through the back loop, then slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front. Knit 1 stitch, and then slip 1. I just continue like this and a beautiful cord gradually forms. And if you have any free fingers, I'd appreciate your thumbs up. This way, not only do I know that you like my video, but also YouTube does. Now I'll quickly show you how to knit a flat cord. The technique remains similar, you just need to make a small adjustment. Instead of casting on 4 stitches, you cast on 6 or 8 stitches. You can even cast on 10 stitches. The important thing is that it's an even number of stitches. And 8. And here I also start with a stitch knitted through the back loop. From here I always slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front and knit 1 stitch. I keep doing this until the end of the row. And also here, each row looks the same. You see, it's very easy to knit and remember. This technique is perfect for using up leftover yarn. If I have enough time, I even like to knit my cords for wrapping gifts myself for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have fun knitting along. If you liked the video, I would appreciate it if you share it on social media, on Facebook, WhatsApp, or even in your blog. I'm quite sure there are many out there who don't know this way of knitting cords yet. I look forward to having you with me next time, and I wish you all the best. Your Andrea.